In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Steam account. First, open the Steam app and sign in using your current account details. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, enter your credentials and complete any usual security prompts. This walkthrough assumes you still have access to your account. If you don't, Steam's account recovery tools are the place to start, but we'll focus on the standard in-app change. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner of the app window and click the Steam menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings on Windows or Preferences on Mac. This opens the main panel where you manage your account and app options. In the Settings window, find and select the Security tab. Here, click Change Password. Steam will ask to verify that it's really you before allowing any changes. Choose the option to receive a verification code. Most people will get it by email, but if you have a mobile option available, you can use that as well. Now, switch over to your email inbox and look for the message from Steam containing your verification code. It can take a minute to arrive, so give it a moment, and be sure to check your spam or promotions folders if you don't see it right away. When it arrives, copy the code exactly as shown. Codes are time-limited, so using it promptly helps avoid errors. Head back to Steam and paste or type the code into the verification box to confirm your identity. After that, you'll be prompted to set your new password. Create a strong, memorable passphrase that's several characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like common words or reused passwords from other services. Then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. Click Change Password, or Save depending on what you see, to finalize the update. Steam may sign you out of the app or prompt you to log in again. When that happens, use your new password. If you use Steam on other devices, you might be asked to sign in again there as well, which is normal after a password change. That's it. Your Steam password is now updated, and your account is better protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.